it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the part 2 of this making like a teacher apple, which I did for an internet friend of mine. But while it's loading, I thought I'm going to show a couple of tricks or ideas I had about making this work. The pencil I got off Clipart was too thick. There's no way to make it thinner without making it too little at this angle. You just can't. Well, you maybe could do it, but it'd take you forever. Why not rotate it onto this plane, and then you can make it thinner and make it the same length, and then you can rotate it back. So I made it thinner without even too much trouble. Now, how did I get the apple to look like the pencil was in front of the apple? Is to take the apple, and first of all, this is just a clip art. It's a really good clip art. No problem whatsoever. I picked that one right there. It's 1809 by 1920. If you ever need an apple, that's a good one. So take the apple and left click, right click, fill in the two sides of the apple. And here's the trick. I didn't have to cut any lines. I'm just going to grab our hairline and I'm going to go no outline. So now the pencil looks like it's in front of the apple. And then all you do is draw in your ABC 1, 2, 3. And you've got a pencil or a teacher apple ornament. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.